Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ifah Fitri bin Azmi, and I'm gonna explain about our introduction in this assignment. So firstly, our lecturer, which is Mr Salihin bin Saelal, have been given task to our class, which is to develop a program based on our knowledge that we gain in class. So our group have been decided to make a program that can help a few people in our society, which to be more specifically for those who are involved in food businesses like food stall. So in order to help them, we have come up with an idea, which is to take order from customer when they come to their stall. So we hope with our program that have been developed in our group can help those businessmen in their involving food businesses, can literally help them in order when customer try to order a massive order, which is more like 20 to 30 order. With this program, customer can place order easily and feel much more faster than before. So that's all for my introduction presentation. For others part in this assignment will be present by my others group member. So we hope you enjoy this presentation. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Okay, I will explain about the display menu. Okay, at part of display menu. This coding, we make some menu in restaurant, so customer can choose menu. Just click the list of menu of food and drink, so it's more easier and efficient to all customer. When they all come to restaurant, they just click on the menu and choose the number of menu of food or drink that they want to order. So for example is Ali come to restaurant and Ali want order nasi lemak and teh ais. So Ali just choose the number of nasi lemak and teh ais on the menu, and then click the total number of nasi lemak and teh ais that Ali want to order. So after that, the price also include on the screen of the menu, and after that it will be finished and the menu will be submit to waiter or waitress to making food or drink for Ali. So that's about the display of menu in this coding. Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ainin Sofia binti Ghazali. My part in this project is switch, so I will be presenting about switch. Okay, first in this switch case, we have total of 7 case. When the user insert number 1, and then it will appear nasi lemak, and then the bilangan pesanan, how many do the user wanna order, and then the price for each of the order, and then the total price RM, and then these two is the price for this each bungkus, and then times with this how many do the user wanna order, and then it will appear like this. So we pilih order anda, and then let's say we want to order this nasi lemak. Press 1, enter. Then how many do the user want to order? Say I would say the user want to order like 3. So the nasi lemak is RM2 times 3. So it will appear as 2 times 3 6 ringgit sahaja. Okay. Okay. That. And then it's the same for the continuous order. Order seterusnya. Say ayam percik is RM2.50. This RM2.50 plus times the bilangan pesanan. Is the same for the case when the user press 2, and then it will appear as ayam percik. And when the user press 3, dia press nasi goreng kampung. Press 4, then nasi ayam penyet, and so on. The total number of our in our project, the total case is 7. So because we have all 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 case. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi and good morning. My name is Salam. My metric number is B09191031. Today I want to tell you about the method payment at the food restaurant. There are many ways of method payment at the food restaurant. The first method is you can pay in cash at the counter after your meal. If you don't have enough cash, you can choose second method, which is you can pay online by scanning QR code at the table by using your mobile phone. The last method is you can pay by using credit or debit card at the counter. You can choose the one of the option of the method payment at the food restaurant. That's all the method payment at the food restaurant. Thank you.
So, hello guys. So, it's my turn right now. So, I'm going to explain about the advantage using by our coding. So, let's straight to the point. So, first, point number 1 is make the order more easier. So, just by click the number, by click the button by using a number, you can order your food. Simple, easy. So, point number 2 is fast, easy and comfortable. So, dalam pepatah Melayu cakap, okay, dunia dalam hujung jari. That's why we call just by using your fingertips, okay, you can order your food. It's comfortable. So, point number 3 is no misunderstanding and no frustration, no stress. Okay, so when you order your food, imagine, okay, when you order your food at the restaurant, you have a long queue and you have to wait about 1 hour or 30 minutes. So with our coding, you just by click the number and you just get your food. That's all. It's very fast, easy. So that's all from me, and thank you. Okay, so our conclusion is, okay, we have covered technology for storing data, access data, processing data, and flowchart. We also focus on writing computer language. We have looked at the advantage and disadvantage of different storage options. We have a look at how to design data storage efficiently, and we have discussed how to write good computer code. A related idea is that computer is the preferred approach to communicating our instruction to the computer. This approach allows us to be precise and expressive, to provide complete record of our action, and it's allow others to replicate our work. Okay, thank you.